One of the fundamental features of Microsoft Excel is that we can build in formulas and functions and then see the results in our worksheets. But how can we easily view or audit these calculations? Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Squared Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll look at how to save time in Excel by easily displaying formulas. Here is a simple sum function that's calculating those values for this particular category, in this case Hawaii. But sometimes it would be helpful for us to see what's behind these results. And we don't want to have to move to every single cell in this worksheet, especially when it could be complex with hundreds or thousands of rows. Auditing our formulas can be especially important when we receive data from a colleague, a vendor, a client, and we want to double check or audit the logic to make sure that we're getting the correct calculations and the results we're looking for. To make sure we have the correct formulas or logic in place, the key here is to use Show Formulas. You'll find this under the Formulas tab in the Formula Auditing group. Now we can turn this on or off by simply choosing the option. You'll see that there's also a keyboard shortcut that is Control and the grave accent. It's on the same key as the tilde, which is the horizontal squiggle line. So we could press that as well as a toggle. Notice what happens when we show formulas. This is also one way for us to make sure that we don't have missing calculations, such as the value in cell F7 here, which was simply a direct entry of a value rather than having a calculation. We can print out these results, this information, and toggle it back at any time. In this K-Squared tech tip, you've seen how to save time and effort by adding the Show Formulas option to your auditing tools in Microsoft Excel. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.